here right now at the 4th level of Ayala Center new wing at the garden area. Check out the grand opening of Golden Cowrie Filipino Kitchen here in Cebu. So Golden Cowrie has always been one of my favorite Filipino restaurants here. So because here it's always gonna be a feast, and I think this new restaurant will really wow all Filipino food fans. So check out this video, and hopefully I'll see you here at Golden Cowrie one of these days.
3, 2, 1.
Group to welcome and thank each and every one of you for gracing this occasion. I especially thank our titos and our titas, this corner table here, for coming over and honoring us with their presence. And Golden Cowrie is an institution here in Cebu. We have been around for 35 years, as what John had said earlier. Golden Cowrie was the brand that won the hearts of many Cebuanos and a lot of visitors in Cebu. And personally, I fell in love with the restaurant when I started it, when it began here 35 years ago. And when the original founder, Tina Ebrada, decided to take a rest, we were more than glad to take over the restaurant. And we promised her that we will continue her tradition of good food, of reasonable food, and we said we will add more to that, Tita, don't worry. And since we took over, we have expanded Golden Cowrie to the 31 restaurants nationwide now, and still counting. Hopefully, by the grace of God and with the assistance of everyone here, and of course our loyal customers and the new customers that we will find, we hope to be able to expand some more. Particularly in the Metro Manila area, we have five locations in Metro Manila already, and we hope to bring that to 10 by the end of the year.
So this is what we're having today. Some of their dishes like the Pinaupong Manok. You have the Pomelo Salad with then the Chicharon and with red egg. Pinaugang Balbacua. We have cabcab with bangus pate, Zarzuela de Mariscos, and then the clams, the mussels, and the vegetarian humba. I'm trying out the cabcab with the bangus pate, so this would be good. There's an ice cream cone, sweet, crunchy, and I like it when it's a bit burnt. And with the pate, it's a bit smoky. It's like pretty good. Next up, we have the Pomelo Salad with the dried pusit and synonymous. Yeah. And yeah. Good. It's pretty mellow, balanced, acidic, but yeah, I like the saltiness, the crunchiness of the synonymous, and the Also the pomelo. Next up is the pinaugang Balbacua. It's like it has peanut sauce. It's not too fatty than the regular Balbacua, so it's a good compromise. So the Chicharon with etlong mahala, the red egg, is really spicy. It's like your sisig. It is creamy, then it is the crunchy, the creamy egg and the crunchy Chicharon that with a really strong spicy flavor, which is would be good. It would be a good pulutan. So the next dish is the Zarzuela de Mariscos. It's made of 4 kinds of seafood. And Naomi's now happy because the pescatarian vlog. And then there's vegetarian humba as well, made of food and a lot of mushrooms and egg. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. So now I'm gonna do the octopus tentacles. You like to eat this? Yeah. I like eating this one too. Perfectly grilled. It's not too chewy. So just the way I like it. So this is like the tofu, the humba, vegetarian humba. I like the sauce. So I'm trying the Pinaupong Manok. So savory. I like its saltiness and then well cooked, juicy. So this is a highly recommended dish. So we're trying the halo halo. The ice is so fine, but she misses the ice cream.
For this one is do you remember Salinas? We launched Salinas in December of 2015. So this one, the Golden Cowrie Filipino Kitchen, is the fusion of the heritage brand and the new brand Salinas.
So this is really a new brand, huh?
Yeah, so it's now the fusion of the old favorites plus the favorites of Salinas. When you see Golden Cowrie, it's going to be a mixture of the heritage and the new. If you see Hukad, it's really just the tradition. We already have one in Manila.
Oh,
Yeah, and Conrad.
This is the dish you look out for here.
Well, the same favorites as in Salinas, like the Chicharon katag, the Pinaupong Manok, and of course we'll be adding new dishes of which you'll be trying today.
So I had a marvelous lunch there at Golden Cowrie Filipino Kitchen. I'm really excited with their new dishes, and I think it's gonna be a big hit among Cebuanos. So check out the new restaurant at the 4th level of Ayala Center New Wing Garden Area, Golden Cowrie Filipino Kitchen. Yeah, check out our videos and click subscribe.